Hello and welcome back to Codecraft and Tech Review. And today we are going to learn how you can find either the given number is even or odd. So as you can see, I'm in here Python coding folder, and inside this folder I'm going to create a new file with the name of even odd.py. So file has been created. Now I'm going to create a new variable to store the value int input enter any number. Now I'm going to use if-else statement. If x modulus 2 is equals to 0, if it is equal to 0, then it will print uh, the given value x is even. If it is not equal to 0, then it will print else is equals to print the given value x is odd. Now let's see its output. So at first it is asking user to input any number, so I'm going to give input 20. As you can see, the output is the given value 20 is even. Now let's input another number. Now here I'm going to give 11. The given value 11 is odd. So thank you so much for today. Hope to see you soon in another video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.